Good evening and welcome back to Law Call, where we're taking your questions live on air. 850-392-1544 is the number. You can also email us at lawcall@wmbb.com. We've got an email question already and we've got a live caller. So let's take Robert from Holmes County.
Hello, how you doing?
Question you got for us tonight?
Yes, I'm curious, in the state of Florida, is if it's legal for government to take private property and turn around and sell it by eminent domain, obviously, and turn around and sell that to another private industry.
So were you able to catch that? It was a little light here. I'll repeat it for everybody's benefit. Let's see here. Robert was asking whether or not it was legal to take property by eminent domain and then turn around and sell that property to a private company.
Well, I'd need to know a little bit more of the facts of that.
Okay.
There are circumstances where they've acquired more than they need and it's surplus property, and after a period of time then they can sell that to somebody else. But that's the only way that I know of that where a condemning authority has sold to another private person. And even in those circumstances they have to offer it back to the other person first. So I'm not sure exactly what Robert's talking about. I'd need to know more of the facts that he's dealing with.
Sometimes also in our areas we've got a lot of creeks. We've got Econfina Creek and things of that nature, and there's a watershed issue. And so the condemning authority is not, it's the state of Florida through one of their governmental agencies. I remember when Econfina Creek, when they expanded that water basin, there was a lot of property that was sold back to the state of Florida or one of their government agencies. That was probably 20-25 years ago. Actually right after I first got down here, probably in the late 1990s. Mm-hmm. Is there a situation though where they could buy too much and then turn around and sell it back to adjoining landowners, or like you said, they have to, what's the process on that? If they take too much land, they say, all right, well, we need 100 acres for the watershed, and then after they go through and finish everything up and they compensate the folks for 100 acres, and then they say, well, these 20 acres we don't need. What happens in that situation?
Well,
and how long would it take? Just as a hypothetical.
I've never been directly involved in that side of it, but my understanding of it is that they would first have to, if it's within a certain amount of time, they would first have to offer it back to the person they had taken it from. Okay.
All right. And then if
they weren't interested, then they could sell it to whomever.
Yeah, and let's say 10 years had gone by and that's usually beyond all time limits. Does the state then, since they own the property, they can turn around and sell it to anybody they want to?
Yeah, I mean they have a surplus property, a way of getting rid of surplus property that way.
Okay, well, good to know. Robert, hope that helps you out and at least get you started on the path. If you have something more detailed and you want to talk with us, give us a call at the law firm and we'll be more than happy to talk with you.